Welcome to a new era of smart automated living powered by Sndian technology. Access control begins the moment you arrive. Seamless, voice activated, secure. Secure entry, simplified with smart automated door access control at your main entrance. Let me show you how we've transformed this home with smart automated systems designed for luxury. Alexa, open up the curtains and turn up the blinds. Alexa, set the AC temperature to 18.
Thermostat is set to 18.
With a single touch, set the mood, lighting, and comfort, all from the smart wall panel. Smart automated wall lighting, designed to enhance your space with style and warmth. Entertainment at your command, effortless, elegant, and intelligent. Alexa, open BBC News on YouTube.
Getting that from YouTube.
Every space reacts to your lifestyle, from meals to moments, beautifully lit and fully automated. Experience the smart automated kitchen with total control at your fingertips. Every step elevated with motion-activated smart lighting for safety and style. Upstairs, smart lighting enhances every corner, from restful lounges to glowing balconies that extend your space beyond the walls. Total control from anywhere. Manage your entire home with a single smart app. Smart automated security, from electric fencing to intelligent CCTV and intrusion alarms, all synchronized to protect. Innovate today, transform tomorrow with Sndian.